English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Sleep, very much, weekend. Sleep. Sleep is a verb. A1 learners usually know sleep. At A1, to sleep means to not be awake. Here are some examples. He goes to sleep at about 8 p.m. every night. She can't sleep if the children are too noisy. Because of a bad cough, I slept badly every night last week. Very much. Very much is an adverb. A1 learners usually know very much. At A1, very much means a large amount or degree. Here are some examples. Thank you very much. She likes him very much. They like London very much. Weekend. Weekend is a noun. A1 learners usually know weekend. A weekend refers to the 2 days of the week, i.e. Saturday and Sunday, when many people do not work. Here are some examples. Last weekend we went to the beach. Next weekend they're going to visit their grandparents. What are you going to do at the weekend? In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with sleep, very much and weekend. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR A1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.